If you're not smiling, you're not living.
My name is Chrissy, and you're watching NicardTV. Yeah.
What's up, YouTube? Today, we are going El Primo's Pizza. Yes, sir. And I think the pizza might actually help me to PR tomorrow. But don't quote me on that because it could be the first time that I actually throw up after a cross-country race. El Primos, El Primos, El Primos, El Primos. Shut up. Table for two. There's my day right there. We got Nico Rodriguez. Yes, and the rest of everybody over here.
Definitely gotta go
your
with
drink. Tropical lemonade.
strawberry lemonade. There's an ice cube right there.
What's the reasoning behind your lemonade choice?
I mean, it's a mix of healthy and delicious.
Oh. So today, we have episode 2 of Nicard the Critic. Why is it sliding like that? We're trying El Primo Pizza for the first time. The first bite, let's see what we doing with. I believe the pizza is an 8.5 out of 10. I like it. I like it very much. The texture of the pizza. My blood isn't necessarily pumping through my body right now, but pizza grease is, so. How do you feel about this?
About what? Unnecessary amount of food, but it's kind of worth it.
My boy Evan. The Uno Casino. You already know he's about to get this dub right here. I'm looking at a very dangerous deck here. This man is ready to cause havoc. The double reverse from Evan. Evan doing the +2. Oh my God, what's going on here? Oh. Oh.
You got that, Isaiah. You got that.
Ready, boys? Snort it? I'm gonna lick it.
Yeah, lick it, lick it, lick it. That's solid death. No.
Bye, El Primo. Joe.
I'll beat up Cameron right now.
Yeah, go Isaiah, kill him.
Oh.
Isaiah, fight Joey. Fight Joey.
Come on, Joey.
Oh. Street Fighter. 3, 2, 1. Fight.
Oh, I thought my practice was at 6, and we didn't
Yes,
see
and then
it.
you were like, oh, I need to go take my shower.
Give me a few minutes and we'll be gone. Who was that?
Yes.
No, that was
And then
you.
you're like, oh, I better go take my shower. And then you went.
No, Mom was like, oh, yeah, Joseph, you better go take a shower because Alexis is be leaving. I'm like, okay. And she's like, you can go support the team. No way, that was your problem.
Tomorrow, race day, race time. You already know what it is. About to go PR. Hopefully, if I don't PR, that's pretty sad because our course is pretty fast. The goal is 1830s or 1840s. What's up, YouTube? You know what I'm saying? So today is the day. The goal of the race is to not get cut from varsity. We are here at the school. We finally arrived. We have everybody here. We're ready to race, but the race is not in another hour or so, something like that. Go! Do you think you're gonna PR today?
Hopefully.
Hopefully. I just took some ibuprofen, so hopefully I'm feeling better during the race. People are already getting warmed up out here, and I just want to go back to bed. Well, if I race good, you will hear a lot from me. If I don't race good, I'll probably delete all the clips from today and yesterday. Girls race is about to start. And let's see what we can do. Let's go, Bobcats! Where are they? Oh, they're right there. We run in about 30 to 35 minutes from now, and it seems as if we are about to warm up. So, it is time to get our bodies on race page. This is the last you'll see of me until the race.
Today?
What was your PR?
Like 1850, something like that.
It was 1850.
Yeah.
What did you run?
1857.
And then I ran in the 1840s. I don't know what my exact time is yet. That boy Evan!
The last person who didn't go in.
That was kind of close.
He was a little too close for comfort, to say the least.
Wait, was he right by you?
Yes, bro. The entire time this man was right by me. I was like, all right, he's gonna die out. I'm gonna cruise to the finish line. This man was with me the entire time, but can't out sprint me, so I'm not worried. Yes, sir. I was close enough to out sprint him. Had a good little 20 meters on him at the end. About it. Jeremy, UPR?
Yeah,
Hey.
1954.
Hey, that
Broke
boy.
20.
Broke 20. You already know how it is. Time for awards.
Top girl, 1720.
From Bloomingdale,
That boy T.
Remember when you said you wanted to be fat?
Nathaniel, go ahead. That boy. Joseph Smith. Hey.
You want the muscle going to your legs, not the arms when you run.
Who's that?
That's why Coach Fu's slow.
You heard that, Foo? Post meet, and we are leaving on a good note.